Hello student, in this video I will explain to you what do you mean by SN1 reaction. So SN1, S represent to the substitution, 1 represent to unimolecular, and N represent to the nucleophilic word. So it's a proper meaning of the SN1, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Unimolecular means beta only one molecule is participated in this equation at a time. We know that two type of compound react with each other, more than two type of are also, but in a first step always two compound may be react with each other. So take one example of a SN1 reaction. CH3 C, CH3 CH3 Cl and aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH mean KOH mixed with water. So due to the presence of water, KOH may be divided into K plus and OH minus. This one is a 3-degree alkyl halide, and we know that Cl have a tendency to attract electron. So shared electron between the carbon and chlorine is shifted toward the chlorine. So partial positive and partial negative is developed at the carbon and chlorine. So this one is the first compound and this one is the second compound. Which one is participate in this equation? तो बेटा अपने को ये चीज़ देखनी है कि क्या ये दोनों जने एक साथ रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे या फिर नहीं. आंसर इज नो. वाई? क्यों? Because alkyl halide, 3-degree alkyl halide is easily prepared to the carbocation. 3-degree alkyl halide बेटा कार्बोकेटाइन को आसानी से बना लेता है. क्यों बना लेता है? Because of 3-degree nature. When electron between the carbon chlorine bond is shifted toward the chlorine, then positive charge is developed at the carbon. But in this formula, 3 alkyl group attached with this carbon. This carbon is also known as a alpha carbon. Or because of this, these 3 alkyl group represent to plus I effect, inductive effect. All these 3 carbon easily provide the electron to this carbon. एक रीज़न तो बेटा ये हुआ क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3 प्लस आई इफेक्ट या 3 प्लस आई इफेक्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले ग्रुप है. तो देयरफॉर कार्बन इजीली प्रोवाइड दी इलेक्ट्रॉन टू क्लोरीन, तो इसलिए कार्बोकेटाइन आसानी से बन जाएगा. रीजन नंबर 2, दिस कार्बन हैव 3 बीटा कार्बन and because of this hyperconjugation is also represented by this 3-degree carbocation. So 9 hyperconjugation structure may be formed by this carbocation. तो बेटा ये कार्बोकेटाइन क्यों बनेगा? फर्स्ट स्टेप में एल्किल हैलाइड इज पार्टिसिपेट and provide a chloride ion and 3-degree carbocation. Reason for this, because this carbocation is more stable. And why it is more stable? Because of 3 plus I effect and because of 9 hyperconjugation structure. And why 9 hyperconjugation structure is represented by this carbocation? Because 3 plus 3 plus 3, total 9 beta hydrogen is situated in this carbocation. So in a first step, three-degree alkyl halide is converted into carbocation and Cl remove. In a second step, 3 degree carbocation. We can also write down to this 3 degree carbocation in this form. And OH, we know very well that KOH is already situated in K plus and OH minus in aqueous solution. So OH attract toward the carbon and combine with carbocation and form alcohol. So in the above equation, alkyl halide and aqueous KOHs participate, but in a first step only alkyl halide is participate. So because of this reaction is known as SN1, because only one molecule is participate in a first step. If we take a 1 degree alkyl halide, then it cannot be possible. अगर बेटा मैं यहाँ पर 1 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड लेता हूँ तो कंडीशन अलग हो जाएगी, क्योंकि इन अ 1 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड one degree carbocation is formed, and 1 degree carbocation is less stable than 3 degree carbocation, because 3 degree carbocation have 3 alkyl group, and these 3 alkyl group represent plus I effect, while if it is form a carbocation, then only one alkyl group is situated in it. In a 3 degree carbocation, 9 beta hydrogen is situated, so 9 hyperconjugation structures may be formed, but there is only 3 beta hydrogen is situated, so only 3 hyperconjugation structure may be formed. So 3 degree alkyl halide represent to SN1 reaction. I will explain to you SN2 reaction in next video. So I think बेटा इससे आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा कि why 3 degree alkyl halide represent to SN1 reaction, because in this reaction 2 steps are included. If reaction, especially nucleophilic substitution reaction, continue in 2 steps, then this reaction is known as SN1, because in a first step only one molecule is participate. Therefore name of this equation is SN1 reaction. Okay beta.